Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. You've probably realised by now that it's super late to be finding a Halloween costume for the party that you need to go to in about half an hour. So here I am for some very easy, very lazy Halloween outfits for those who like to procrastinate like myself. So I hope you enjoy. Make sure you follow me on Instagram and all the rest of it. And yeah, happy Halloween! Next up we've got PJs, very simple to put together. Literally just get your pyjamas and a teddy and just off you go to the party. I mean, if you're like me and you love to sleep, this is the perfect outfit for you to be wearing. And the headscarf is optional, babes. I absolutely love Mean Girls. I think this costume is absolutely amazing. It's so easy and it's for the super lazy ones out there like myself.
She doesn't even go here.
If all else fails, be a mime. Very easy outfit to put together. Black leggings and a top and a beret, and I've just put some black eyeliner on my face. And I don't know what I'm doing here. I think I'm 5 years old again. Somebody help me. And that is a wrap. Thank you very much for watching my quick ass video, and make sure, I don't know what this accent is, make sure you follow me on all my socials, and happy Halloween!